This is Sarah playing with Kit Kat, playing with the bird.
Let me see, let me see. Let me see!
See? She's got quite an attitude. She's got a boo-boo, huh, Sarah? You got boo-boo? Show me your boo-boo. Ouchie, she fell down getting on the bus. And she didn't even cry, did you? You did? Oh, well, they told me you didn't cry. Anyway, she's playing with Kit Kat. Kit Kat loves playing with that, huh? And look how pretty she is.
Let me see, let me see, let me see.
Well, you can't see yourself. Hey, what? Are you getting mad? Now smile.
Let me see.
Let you see what?
See. Let me see, they're pretty.
You can't see. I'm looking at you. You can't look at it and look at yourself at the same time. The cat is still being entertained. Careful, you're going to wrap it around her neck and choke her. She'll go, wow. Kit Kat. Kitty kitty. Kitty kitty. She thinks she caught an eagle or a pigeon or whatever kind of feather that is. I don't even know. Now I have to answer my phone, so bye-bye, everyone. Say bye, Sarah.